Yo, check this out. I'm done. X-Max upgrade 4.0. Max 5, 1100 kV. New pinion, 28-50 ratio. Arms, beautiful arms. Hey, we getting ready to throw the new upgrades on the Baron carrier soon, though. We gonna see how that rock. And then, hey, let's turn it on, baby. Let's go. We got the music going. We got the music going. X-Max time. Let's get this going. Check this out right here, yo. Hold on. My bad. Hey, rookie mistake. Hey, you know I got extra stuff on my truck, man. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Let's do this another way. Come on off of there. Let's turn them off. My bad. All right, let's turn them on. A breath of fresh air. Come on. Click. Oh, we got action. Oh yes, this is action. Custom work here, y'all. Let's go. Oh, just to give y'all a small preview. I'm not playing. Show y'all a night preview one day. It's the show with hot questions, even hotter wins. And today we're joined. Let's get this thing on there, see how it runs. First run. Upgrade. First run. Oh, yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let's go. All right. Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Sounds awesome. All right, let's see how it does. Woo! Oh, that's nice. I got one hand holding the phone, the other one holding the controller, one finger steering. So this sucks. I need the upgrade. I need to have it on my controller. I know I'm being lazy. My bad. Bleep, bleep, bleepity, bleep, 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 bleep. But check it out. Yes. Oh, my bad. Uncle Steve's truck. Oh, no. Did I break it, you guys? Did I break it? One crash. Did it break? No, the pin just came out. Aha, stupid. Look, crash it in Uncle Steve's truck. My bad. And then arm came out. First run. All right, so, you know, we got to do the walk of shame. Let's do the walk of shame. Carry him back with the leg hanging out. Carry him back with the leg hanging out, but I got all my pieces. I got all. Oh, this is my K5. I'll show y'all the, you know, when I get this going, y'all gonna love this. But anyway, let's go here. Hold on, we got a commercial. Shit, I broke it. Excuse my French. My bad. Bleep. Hold on. Stupid commercial. I broke it. 5 seconds, upgrade, and I broke it within seconds. So, I realize now that if I crash it, that's not going to work out too wonderful. But, let's put these on, and let's see if this happens to that front end again like that. Because look at the spring, dude. I mean, fuck, man, this is stupid. All right, anyway, let's get it. Rebuild time, 20 minutes. It's all good. See y'all in a minute.